Well, initially, we were told about the 2030 plan. They were talking about modernizing the equipment and the way the factories operate and things like that, which got me to thinking. Some of our machines were manufactured back in the 1950s. So they're really not applicable to out in the world, So I started searching for for companies that could sell us a new slaughter machine. That's the one that cuts the slots and puts the scores in the boxes and glues it, Started searching around. I found Mr. Thacker. He owns Thacker Industries. And so I called him up and I said, hey, I heard you sell slaughter machines. Oh, yeah, that's what I do. So we got to talking, and I was interested in getting a quote because I wanted to, see if I could get a new machine. And then he asked me where I worked and where I was, things like that, and I told him, and he said he was very interested in hiring inmates, which perked my ears up. I was really interested in that because, we've got inmates that work diligently. They're proud of their work. They work hard. So he said, well, he wanted to set up a visit to come and visit the factory and see what we had, see where we had space for a new machine, things like that. But he also wanted to talk to some of the inmates, and he did. That was a very productive visit. There was quite a few of them that he had talked to and said, hey, when's he going to get out? When's he going to be paroled? When's he going to be released? I'm interested in hiring him. And it worked out. One of our inmates, he had been transferred out to finish a program so he could be paroled. He now works for Mr. Thacker. So it really worked out well. Once they're assigned as a machine operator, they don't just run the machines. They know how to set them up, break them down, clean them, maintain them, things like that. So they know that machine inside and out. They know by the sound. They can listen to that machine run and know by the sound and the rhythm of that machine that there's something wrong, and they'll stop and they'll figure out what's wrong and they'll fix it and set it back up. We make cardboard boxes. It's very tedious and time consuming. We have some that, they really get in there and they want to learn everything about that machine. So we'll give them whatever it is that they want to know. The 2030 plan, there's a lot of potential there. We can see that coming into play. I think it's helped a lot with a mentality of, we're not only just incarcerating, we're rehabilitating. The things that are being put in place, I think, is going to benefit not only TDCJ, the public, these inmates, their families, just trying to get them some knowledge and some experience to where they can get employment when they're released. Once you have that can never be taken away. You have that, you own it. And it's amazing to see how they kind of, wow, I can do that. I can learn this. It's amazing to watch them.